You ask, no, I'm going to answer. Today's video, I'm going to answer some of your questions. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I am a law of attraction coach, and today we're answering subscribers' questions. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon below if you haven't already subscribed, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So today's question is from Marie, and it's about battling insecurities. So she's trying to find self-love, and she is worried that her man that she's manifesting back, or she's with, I'm not 100% clear on that, however, is going to be with somebody else. And she thinks that's her block. So let's talk about insecurities, okay? So insecurities is just a story, okay? And the reason why it's just a story is because if I say here that my boyfriend Jerry is going to cheat on me and he's unfaithful and he's going to go with another teddy bear and cheat on me, and then I turn around and I say, okay, I find out Jerry's cheated on me, and I make that mean that I'm not good enough and Jerry's rejecting me, I've just added a whole other story in a whole other block. Because really, at the end of the day, it's not that I'm not good enough. The only thing is, the reason why Jerry cheated on me is because I created it. I said, Jerry cheats on me. So to change that, instead of working on making myself better, because I'm perfect, you're perfect, we're all perfect, okay? All I need to say is I intend for Jerry to be faithful. And now I no longer have the block of my insecurities, because I've created Jerry now to be faithful and a loving boyfriend and wanting to be with me. Okay, so that's how we get past insecurities. Now, here's another example of insecurities. Years ago, I was having some health issues, and I actually started having insecurities. I was being very snappy with my boyfriend, and he was annoying me all the time. And then I would go and apologize constantly. And then I started worrying that he was going to leave me because I wasn't able to be a good girlfriend to him, and I was just always in a bad mood. And then one day I thought to myself, oh my God, you know what? Like, he is just going to leave me because he's going to get sick of me actually apologizing for being mean and being crabby and snapping at him. And, you know, like, how many times can I apologize for this behavior that I feel so bad about? And then all of a sudden, one day it happened. We were sitting on the couch, and, you know, I snapped at him over nothing. And then all of a sudden I said, I'm so sorry. I'm like, I don't mean to. And he was like, would you stop apologizing? And I was like, oh my goodness, it's like so happening. And I was snapped out of it at that moment. And I said, come on, Mandy, you know better. And so then I started saying to myself, I intend for my boyfriend to be loving and supportive and understanding, and to, you know, help me through this health issue, help nurse me back to health. I know he will. He's an understanding guy and he loves me. So just by shifting my story to actually changing how I was expecting my boyfriend to show up actually disintegrates that block of insecurities to begin with. Because let's just face it, insecurities is just a story that we're holding. I am good enough. I am perfect. But my boyfriend cheated on me. Why did he go find another person? Because you created the intention that he did. So you just go back and say, I intend for my boyfriend to be faithful to me. So once we take the stance that we're perfect and we create with our thoughts, just because we create something we don't like doesn't mean that we're insecure, right? When all we need to do is to cut out that part of the story and shift it to, yeah, he loves me, he wants to be with me. So Marie, my advice for you is to actually write down all of your complaints that you have and all of the doubts you have and all of the beliefs you have. Okay, so I believe I'm not good enough. I believe that he might leave me for somebody else. I believe that he thinks I'm, you know, this or that and whatever. And start changing them to, I intend for so-and-so to forgive me. I intend for so-and-so to love me. I know that so-and-so loves me. I intend to feel like he wants me. He tells me every day that he wants to be with me. I intend for him to be faithful and only want to be with with me and me only. And to keep going down and changing that list into what you actually want out of your relationship. Okay, because that's really where the shift's going to happen. And then the biggest thing, and I can't stress this enough, is to stay on a mental diet. And what a mental diet is making sure that you always stick with your intentions. So if all of a sudden you think, oh, you know what, I'm not sure if Jerry wants to be with me. No, I intend for Jerry to want to be with me. I know Jerry wants to be with me and only me. I am enough for Jerry. I am good enough for Jerry. Okay. And always make sure that you refocus yourself back on your intentions, your positive intentions, and what you want rather than what you don't want. Because let's face it, our thoughts create, and it's very important that we give the power and the focus to what we actually want to create in our reality. Okay. Anyways, that's my video for today. I know everyone's going to get something out of it. And yeah, thank you for sharing, commenting, liking, and subscribing. And again, if you would like your question answered, definitely email it to me. My email is below, put video idea, and I'll answer it on a video for you. Okay. You guys have a great day.